Hi guys, welcome to Stack with Train. So in the previous video, we have seen about forms in HTML, isn't it? And if you see this playlist from day 1 till day 7, we have discussed many things about HTML tutorial, and I think by looking to all these videos, you are pretty clear about the basics of HTML, isn't it? So if you have not seen this playlist, I request you to kindly bookmark this playlist and see all those videos, because we are going to just go advanced level of this tutorial. Okay, now in today's video we are going to discuss about what is block level element and what is inline element. Okay, so this one is also a basic concept of HTML. Now let us see first. What I'll do is I'll make a file here, block and inline.html. Okay, I'll just use this and I'll write here in the title block and inline element, isn't it? Now, if you don't know what is element, it will be difficult for you to understand what is block and what is inline element. Okay, so if you have not seen my day 2 video, here I have explained about the HTML core concept, that is tags, elements and attribute. So I'll request you to go through this video, day 2 video first. After that you come to this video. Okay, I will give this video link in the card. Now without any delay, let's get started. So before I give you the definition of what is block level element and what is inline element, what I will do is I will just give an example so that you get a clear idea about what is block and element. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm using here a tag, p tag, that stands for paragraph tag, isn't it? So if I write here welcome to my channel, okay, now I'll just go live and we'll see how is the output. You see it is coming, welcome to my channel. It is fine till now, isn't it? Now if I just copy this, okay, and if I just paste it again here, so how it should come in my web page, how should come? You see, instead of coming here in the same row, it is going down, isn't it? It is coming in the second row. Why? This is because p tag is a block level element. Okay, now what block level element does is it will block the entire row here. You see this, if this is the first row, what it does is if you write anything here, it will block the entire row, and in this particular row nothing can be written here because it is blocking the entire row. Now even if I have written here the p tag in the same row here, but it is coming down because it is blocking the entire row. That is what block level element does. It blocks the entire row. Now let us take one example of inline element. Like span is called an inline element. This is span tag. Now I'll just copy this same thing here. Welcome to my channel. The content here, copy, and I will paste it here. Now you see it's coming now same here because I have used only one span. Now what I can do is I'll just copy this and I'll paste this here only. Okay, now you see the output. Now here it is coming the same line, isn't it? This is because span is an inline element. Okay, and what inline element does is it only takes up as much width as it needs to display its content. That is what inline element does. But when it comes to block level element, it will take up the full width. That is what it does. It will block the entire row, but here it will take only that much space that is necessary for the span to use it. Okay, so this is what the difference between a block level element and an inline element. Okay, now you see if I just hit enter here also, that doesn't mean, but I'm just showing you. If I hit enter here also, if I write again, if I just copy this and if I paste it again here 4 times also, then you see it will come in the same row. Okay, why? Because span is an inline element. There are, in every tag has its default property, be it, every tag can be either a block level element or an inline element. Okay, so we'll see some of the examples more here, and let us see now. What I'm going to make you understand in a better way, what I can do is, I'll just delete this particular thing. Okay, and I will write here a style. This is a CSS property, guys, but don't think much of it, because in coming videos, we'll see what is this when we'll start CSS. Okay, now you just need to just see this thing what I'm writing here and just follow. This is only for making you understand that what is block level and what is inline element. I'm just, what I'm doing is, I'm using background color, and any color I will give. Let's say I will give aqua. Okay, now you see, go to the output and see, even if my content is ending here, but the background color, you see, it is coming till the end of the row, isn't it? Why? Because since P is a block level element, since P here, this is a block level element, that is why whatever the CSS property we have given a background color here, it is completely coming from starting the row, starting from an end till the end, isn't it? Now I think you are pretty clear about why it is called a block level element, isn't it? Now let us see again. What I'll do, I'll just copy the same thing here. Okay, style property. I'll do here also, it will come same, isn't it? Why? Because P is a block level element, that is why. I'll just paste it. You see, again, this particular thing is a paragraph. We have written this content in P tag. That is why it is also again blocking the entire row, because it is a block level element. Now let us go to span here. What I'll do, I'll just paste it here. Okay, I'll just give a space. Okay, now just see the output. You see the output, it is coming only till here. The background color is only coming till the content is there, isn't it? You see why? Because since span is an inline element, and inline element only takes up as much width as it needs to display its content, that is why this background color is coming till the content. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll again paste here in the second one. You see, again, see, isn't it? So I think you are pretty clear about what is block level element and what is inline element. Okay. Now let us see some of the tags that are block level element, that are inline elements. Okay. Now it is your also it is your when you will go through different tags, you will understand what is which tags are block level tags and which tags are inline tags. I'm just giving some other examples. Okay, now for example, you see, I'll do one more thing. Okay, I will take a section here. Okay, section, I think caps is on, or else I will take a division here, div tag. Okay, now you see, in this particular div tag, if I just write span also, what I'll do, I'll take a span here. Now I'll just write stack reframe. Okay, our channel name. Now let us see the output, what it is coming. It is coming like this, isn't it? Stack reframe. Now what I will do, I'll just copy, I'll take another CSS property here just to make you understand. Style is equal to, I will take one px solid red, sorry, I'll take background, or border, I will take border is equal to 1px solid red. Okay, now see here, just see, what I'll do is, since it is not clear, I will use here br tag. Okay, 2 3 br tags, though it is not recommended, guys, but just only since we don't know much, that is why I'm using br tag here. But I request you not to use br tag. We'll see in CSS how we can use this to break the line. Now you see, I'm just applying a CSS property here. I'm just giving a border here. Don't worry about this, guys. We'll see in CSS, okay, this line. But just understand, I'm giving a border of 1 pixel red color to the span. Now you see, it is only coming till the content is there because span is an inline element, isn't it? Now, div is a block level element, okay? Now, how can we know whether it is a block level or inline? What I will do, I'll just copy this and I will paste same thing here, okay? And I will just change the color. I'll use, instead of red, I'm going to use green maybe, or black maybe, okay? Now you see the output here. See inside this division we have used span, isn't it? What I'll do, I'll use again one CSS property. Just wait, guys. I'll give margins of, don't worry about this lines, okay? Because we'll see in CSS, just to make you understand what is block level, what is inline. I'm just using this, okay? Now you see, I'm sorry, it is not working. So you see here what it is doing. Block level is division is a block level, so it is blocking here. It is coming till the end of this row, but inside that we have used one inline element. That is why you see the red color indicates the inline element span, and this is taking only that much space, okay? So I think you are now clear about what is block level and what is inline element, okay? Now if you ask me some of the block level elements, so what I'll do, I'll just write the tags here. Now it is your time to see, okay? Now I'll write div. We have already seen div, that div is a block level element. Now we have p tag. P is also a block level element, and we have seen h1 to h6 tag, isn't it? Heading tags. So all these are block level elements, okay? Now we have seen also ul and ol tag, isn't it? List, when we have learned list, in that we have seen ordered list, we have seen unordered list, isn't it? So all these are block level element. Yesterday we have seen forms, so form is also a block level element. And there are many more, okay? I'll just write it is etc. So you better go and check what is block and inline, which tags are block and inline. Now if I give some examples of inline, first one is span. Span is an inline element, we have already seen here. Then anchor tag, a tag is also an inline element. Then we have strong tag, this is also an inline element. Then we have img tag, image is also inline element. Just go take one example of image and just see, okay, whether it is coming in the same row or it is changing the row. If it is changing the row, it is a block level element. If it is coming in the same row, it is inline, okay? And we have one more tag that is called input tag, that is also inline element. We have em tag, that is also inline element, okay? I'm just giving few examples. So now it's your time. You just go to the VS Code, just use all these tags and see whether which tags are inline and which tags are block, okay? And you can also just copy this particular thing, styles, and just paste it to see, you will get a good idea about this block and inline, okay? Now again I'm telling you guys, don't think of this lines much, because in the coming videos, in I think 2 3 videos after this videos, will see the css property and you will get all this, okay? This is called inline css we are using here, because we are writing the css property in the same line, isn't it? This is called inline css, but we'll see what is css, what is inline, what is external in the next video, okay? So make sure you subscribe my channel, and also if you're liking the video, please hit that like button also, so that I should know whether you are liking the video or not. And if you have any sort of comment, any sort of questions you want to ask, please ask in the comment section and I'll reply immediately, okay? So that's it for now, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, take care.